Check it out. So I'm in Hunch, and I adapted one of these models, and I think this is pretty nice. So I'm trying out the backstory to this is I'm trying out a couple different tools. I have Zoom, meeting notes, AI companion, and it does a pretty good job. Probably the best from a transcription perspective. So dig that. But I'm trying some other tools that run locally, different output, and it's decent. Extracts different points. But I don't want multiple sources. I don't want a whole bunch of crap to deal with. I want one. So what I found that works is it may do something to improve this. So it just comes from an API and I can adapt. But to ensure that we have the right kind of attendees and meeting dates, I'm just force feeding it right here. And then this next input, and we can see what this looks like over here. I just paste it in. This is straight from Zoom. I just hit the copy, paste, boom, done. And here's some more. You can see it summarizes it, but then if we get down here, it's the actual transcript, but you can see speaker 1, speaker 2, not exactly useful. However, the cool part is, if we give it the name here, I've had tons of luck telling it, just go ahead and figure out from the context who speaker 1, 2, and 3 are. And it handles it 99% of the time. So all this comes down, and so we have base information, input 1, input 2 about the meeting. All that flows here, and then now I've adjusted this, and you will have to do the same. So I came up with this mega prompt. And this mega prompt says, okay, break all this stuff up. So provide me a meeting summary, the date, action items, next steps, all this stuff, super important. So this prompt is what executes, but that's after it sends all this stuff to it. And you can see it is a wicked, does that open up bigger? Sweet. Yes. Tell me that's not nice. Oh, right there. Meeting date. Here are the people that were in attendance. Meeting was talking about the MVP, John Deere development, discussion points, applications. We got a list of who's doing what, when is it happening, key takeaways, API, comprehensive, and then we have this nice summary paragraph that breaks it, it compresses it all. So if I just had to drop that into a text or email, I would be able to do that. This is amazing, and it took 2,087 tokens. I don't know if that's a lot.